Nyamangala
nami ungenzela konke okuhle nami ngiyamangala nami ungenzela konke okuhle nami ngiyamangala nami ungenzela konke okuhle nami ngiyamangala nami ungenzela konke okuhle ungenzela konke okuhle.
Ligama lami nguSibongile Gondwe. I'm the author of the book Masibuyele kuJehova, Women of Destiny. I-reason yokuthi ngibhale leli bhuku ukuthi God gave me the vision to write about the lives of these women, ukuthi manje njengoba bahlabelela akusiko ukuthi baqale ngekuhlabelela kuphela, they had a life before. So this book was going to take you back from where they were born, ma challenges labahlangabetane nawo empilweni, how they became Christians, and ukuthi nakuthi uNkulunkulu ubendeleni etimpilweni tabo.
Uthatha sive ukhulisa umntwana ngaleso sizathu bezikeni emini kunemntwana losotelwe la enyamazana. Lo mntwana lotelele igama lakhe kuthiwa Masibuyele kuJehova, Women of Destiny. Utelwe lo mntwana la enyamazana.
Sithanda ukubonga kakhulu kumama Sibongile ngokwenza kahle kangaka. Bayaswelakala abantu abathi kuwe siyabonga usaphila. That is why singakagcwali so, because sizobonga abantu abaphilayo. But ukube besibonga abantu abashonile ngabe sigcwele la. But ke yiko lokho kuhle, because isiZulu sithi uningi liyabona ububende. So the fewer, the more God recognizes us. The more uNkulunkulu us recognize is the more us bless.
It's a wonderful day. Oh yeah. It's a wonderful day.
Si Center of Life ke make Gondwe. Sizothi kuwe halala ntombazana. You have written about women, and you are a woman, and on a woman's, I can say continuous women's celebration. Amen. Ngibonga ukuthi ivision yakho owakwangixoxela ngayo ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu namhlanje uyayifezekisa. Amen.
Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu losendela umusa wafika lolusuku la kuphumelela khona ukubhalwa kwaleli bhuku. Miningi iminyaka bavela abazalwane bafuna ukuthi kubhalwe libhuku ngeMasibuyele kuJehova ngenxa yobuthe bendlela, kodwa kungaphumeleleki. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngame Mgondwe uNkulunkulu uphumelelisile licebo lakhe.
Uma kuthiwa ke ma-Afrika awathanda ukufunda, asesirabe leyo nto, senze lokufanele sikwenze. Njengoba ke sibonile make Gondwe naye uthethe isinyathelo sokuthi ke asifundise, asicrasheni konke okunegative, kodwa sithi ke sonke siba positive. Amen.
Hi, this is Richard Mbogoto, the publisher, the director and the founder of Mbogoto Publishers. I am the one who published Masibuyele kuJehova, Women of Destiny. Actually, the vision of Mbogoto Publishers is to make people's dreams come true, and this is one of the dreams that has actually came true. If you have a dream to get your books or your book published, please make sure that you go to Mbogoto Publishers .co.za or call me on 06006333473. I'll be able to help you. God bless you. Amen.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mam Gondwe makwami. Tindo taNkulunkulu atifani netindo tebantu. Ngibonga nekuthi usendele musa. So we will agree with today besilauncha leli bhuku. But kusafuna sibuyeni ke bahlobo bami, hayi sibuyeni ke
kungimusa kuba nalama library endlini yaJehova lafana nalabo mama.
Siyambonga kakhulu simakhathe ngabo. Wathi nakabapha le title yokuthi babe bafelokade. Abazange bayishiftela kulomunye. Kodwa bayamkela bayithatha. Babe sebakwenda ngokweqiniso. Simakathe uyamhlonipha umfelokade wangeqobo. Siyabonga kakhulu bogogo. Nkosi yomusa iqhubeke nani imbusise. Futhi ngiyamethemba simakathe usatawuhamba nani.
Nami ngiyamangala nami ungenzela konkuhle. Nami ngiyamangala nami ungenzela konkuhle. Ngizobonga ngani
The Grind Visuals. #Memories in Motion.